Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we break down the future before it breaks us. It's March 2026 right now. And if you're still thinking AI is just chatbots or funny images, you're already behind. This isn't hype or predictions from some futurist blog. These are real technologies with billions in funding, pilot programs running today, and launch dates locked in for 2026. I spent weeks digging through reports from Gartner, Deloitte, OpenAI leaks, Tesla roadmaps, Apple suppliers, and internal docs. What I found will blow your mind and probably make you nervous. In the next 28 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the 15 technologies that are taking over in 2026. From AI agents that run entire departments, to humanoid robots clocking in at factories, to the day your smartphone becomes obsolete. This is happening faster than anyone expected. Whether these changes make you 10 times more valuable or replace you completely depends on what you do in the next 12 months. Let's get into it. We start with the quiet revolution already underway. Single AI models were impressive. Now multi-agent systems are here. Teams of specialized AIs that talk to each other, divide tasks, and execute complex goals autonomously. Gartner says by 2026, 33% of enterprise work decisions will be made by these agents without human input. Example, an AI marketing department. One agent researches trends, another writes copy, a third designs visuals, a fourth schedules posts, all in minutes. IBM survey, 86% of HR leaders already see digital labor as central to their strategy. Real impact, entire junior and mid-level roles quietly vanishing. If your job is repeatable, structured, or data-heavy, start preparing yesterday. Hackers used to win because they only needed one success. In 2026, AI security platforms predict and block attacks before they launch. How? Behavioral analysis plus pattern recognition on steroids. These systems watch your network, email, code commits, then shut down threats in real time. 2026 reality. Companies using these report 70 to 90% reduction in successful breaches. But the flip side? AI false positives locking out real employees. If you're in IT or handling sensitive data, this tech is already deciding whether you get access. General models like GPT were jack of all trades. 2026 belongs to narrow. Expert A is trained on massive domain data. Google DeepMind's Retinal Scan AI detects 21 diseases earlier than doctors. Legal A is draft contracts with 95% accuracy in complex cases. Finance bots manage portfolios outperforming human traders in volatile markets. Result? Professionals who refuse to use these tools fall behind fast. The ones who master them become 5 to 10 times more productive. AI isn't just digital anymore. It's physical. Amazon already coordinates thousands of robots in real time. In 2026, physical AI means drones, arms, and vehicles working as one organism. No human supervisor needed. Impact: labor shortages solved in dangerous, repetitive jobs, but millions of warehouse, delivery, and factory roles permanently changed. This is the one everyone's talking about. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 expected reveal in Q1 2026. Target price $20,000 to $30,000. BMW and Mercedes already piloting Figure AI and 1X neo-humanoids for simple assembly tasks. Why humanoid? They fit existing factories. No need to rebuild everything. They learn from video demos, adapt on the fly. 2026 reality. Factories hiring robots instead of people. Home versions for elderly care and chores coming 2027 to 2028. If you work with your hands or in manufacturing, this is your timeline. Your phone might be dead in 3 years. Apple's AR glasses prototypes in production, under $1,000, on-device AI for FaceTime and AR, real-time translation, object recognition, Meta's neural wristband plus glasses combo for gesture control without touching anything. Late 2026 launch window. Why? AR overlays navigation, notifications, and info directly on the world. No more pulling out your phone. Spot it. People staring into space, talking to invisible screens. As AI spreads, so do AI-specific attacks. Prompt injection, model poisoning. 2026 solution. Dedicated AI security platforms that scan inputs, monitor behavior, and block threats to models. Early adopters, banks, governments. If you're building or using AI tools, this layer becomes mandatory. Every AI-generated image, video, text will carry invisible provenance data in 2026. EU AI Act forces labels. Tools like OpenAI's Watermarking and Adobe Content Authenticity Initiative make it standard. Why care? Fake content gets detected instantly. Deep fakes in elections or dating become easier to spot. Nations are building their own AI clouds. AWS, Google, Microsoft launching sovereign versions. Why? Data privacy plus national security. Your data stays inside borders. AI models trained only on local data. 2026 impact. Global companies must comply or lose markets. Smart rings, watches, patches now monitor blood sugar, heart rhythm, oxygen, detecting illness days before symptoms. 2026. Continuous monitoring becomes standard insurance perk. AI flags cancer markers from voice changes or gait. Life-saving, but privacy nightmare. IBM's 1,386-qubit chip in 2025 leads to real applications in 2026. Quantum simulates molecules perfectly. New drugs designed in days instead of years. Impact, medicine accelerates, but cryptography breaks, old encryption worthless. Tools analyze your full repo history, suggest fixes, detect bugs, refactor automatically. 2026, junior developers replaced by AI pair programmers. DeepMind-style AI now generates hypotheses, runs simulations, writes papers. 2026, labs use AI for 40% of research grunt work. The endgame. AI agents that own entire processes, sales, customer support, R&D. 2026, companies report 65% reduction in repetitive work. Top spot, not replacement, augmentation. The winners in 2026 won't be pure humans or pure AI. They'll be hybrids, people who master agents, wearables, AR, and robotics as extensions of themselves. Adapt or get left behind. Tone becomes motivational, music lifts. These 15 technologies aren't coming in 2030. They're launching, piloting, or already here in 2026. The question isn't if they'll change everything. It's whether you'll change with them. If this video opened your eyes, smash like, subscribe for weekly breakdowns, and comment which technology scares or excites you most. Share this with someone still thinking AI is just hype. Because in 2026, the future isn't waiting, it's already here.